At present, the products on the market related to elastic conductive paste or ink are all controlled by foreign companies. In addition to the high price and long delivery time, buyers will need to take more risks. The raw materials of this conductive ink are localized products in Taiwan, so it has the advantage of shorter delivery time, and the price is more affordable. In addition to its high shape stability, the conductive ink also passes laundry, which can fill the gap between the textile industry and the electronics industry. It can also be a strong focus for the next generation of the flexible circuit board industry. The conductive ink can be applied in roll-to-roll process and be suitable for mass production. In the future, it will be used in various industries such as power electronics, solar energy, mini LED, RFID radio frequency, semiconductor packaging, panels, and medical treatment. In addition to the above-mentioned industrial and technical aspects, compared with traditional products, this conductive ink has the advantages of saving energy, reducing carbon, and reducing the waste of water resources in the overall production process. It can improve the highly polluting manufacturing process of existing circuit boards and reduce environmental pollution issues.